And welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 1st, 2018, and this is my garden trough thing that I planted last month. And you can see the lettuce coming up here. And over here we have our spinach coming up. And then over here is our kale. And you can see some of the carrots. Let me see here if I can, I don't know if it'll pick it up or not, are starting to come up for us. And that's what we want. Now, I do have to water this. I had to water it today. You do have to check these for water because they will dry out quicker. And the black that you see here, this is that, I'm trying to think what it's called right now, contractor's fabric. And it does have drain holes in it, so the water will drain out of it. Now, we did have to cover this when it got down into the 20s and the lower 30s. We used a frost cover, and we just doubled it over and covered it really good, and it didn't hurt any of our stuff growing here, so I'm really happy about that. And you can kind of come along here. You can use like a little fork bent or something like that and just kind of rough the soil up some. Now, you don't want to damage the roots, so you don't want to go too close to it, but it'll actually help get air down to the roots, which will make your plants grow even quicker. So that's something else that you can do. We do that with this one here. I don't have my little bent fork right now, so I'm just using my hand to kind of go along it here, and it'll actually make this stuff start growing faster. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.